The learning Zili Nishmas Etta Ahuva Basakum Maseches Nazir Perik Vav Mishna Dalid Nazir Shayishaisa Yayin Kol Hayim. A Nazir that was drinking wine the entire day for an entire day, he keeps on drinking straight. Ein Chayiv Ela Achas. He's only going to be Chayiv one Malchus because there was no separation between one Isser and the next Isser. The Taisyanta speaks out that's only Bedine Adam, that you're not going to be chayiv two malchus unless you have a hasra on each one. But bedinei shamayim avada, each revius that you drink is a different avera. Amaloi al tisha. If they told him don't drink, v'hu shaisa, and he drinks chayiv v'kalachas v'achas, then you're going to be chayiv on each hasra. Same thing with the Mishnah says is going to be with taglachas and tamei mei. So taglachas is hayim megalea kol hayom in a chayiv alachas. If he's taking a haircut, which a Nazir not allowed to take a haircut, he's only be chayiv once. But if they told him, Amrlei al tigal al tigal, l'mungalei chayiv kalachazach, so then you're chayiv on each giluach. The third one, hayim tamil l'meisim, if he's becoming tamil l'meisim, kol hayom ein chayiv alachas, he only be chayiv once. Amrlei, but if they told him, al tatame, v'hu metame chayiv kalachazach, then you're going to be chayiv on each one. Over here, there's a machlekes in the Gemara whether tuma al tuma you're chayiv two, because you're not moisev anything one tumah on the next tumah. But the mandamer that held that you're going to be chayiv too is avada only once you were pirish. Once you were pirish from the tumah and then you become tummy again, then you're over another isser. But if you were bichiburin, if you were attached the whole time to the mace, and he says al tatame, then the kuliyamu you're only going to be chayiv once. There's a discussion in the Rishonim how the other mandamer is going to teach the Mishnah. Mishna Hey, Shloimie Masurim ben Nazir. There are three Surim in Nazir. This Mishnah is a very good summary of everything we learned in this Masechta. There's three things he's not allowed to do. Atuma, he's not allowed to become Tamei. Tagach, he's not allowed to take a haircut. Vayetzim and he's not allowed to drink wine. Chomer betuma taglachas. Tuma and taglachas have a chumra over yetzim and agefen. Shatuma v'taglachas soiser, vayetzim and agefen einay soiser. If you become Tamei, you have to start over the entire Naziris. And if you take a haircut, you have to start over the Naziris, like we said in the last mission, means at least 30 days you have to have before you do the Tagachas mitzvah. Mashenkin ayetzim in agefen. If you drink wine during the Naziris, then it's not in a seiser, it's not seiser at all. You were over an isser, but that's not going to be seiser you made Naziris. You're not going to have to do again the days of Naziris. Chomer beyotzim in hagefen and betuma tagachas. Wine has a chumra over tuma and taglachas. Shayotzim in hagefen lehuter mikol. We find no exceptions. You're never allowed to drink wine, even for yayin mitzvah. You're not allowed to drink. Even yayin havadalah, a nazir is not allowed to drink. However, tuma v'taglachas huter mikol, and we find exceptions that sometimes a nazir could take a haircut and sometimes he could be mitam al l'meis, as the Mishnah explains. But taglachas mitzvah, if there is a mace. If there is a Nazir who's a mitzvah, so over there's a mitzvah for a mitzvah to cut his hair at the end. Vayigalach it's called Sarah, so that's doicha the loisa say of tar leyavar al roishe. If a mace mitzvah is by tuma, if a Nazir has a mace mitzvah that he has to be mitame in order to bury, so then he's allowed to become tameh. The chaymer betuma b'taglachas, there's a chumra of tuma over taglachas. Shatuma seiseres hakol, like we alluded to before. The tuma is seiser; they have to do all the yemei naziris again. Mechayav alei carbon. Also, if someone becomes tummy, he becomes a nazir tummy. He has to bring a carbon at the end of those days. Mashengi taglachas ain't seiseres shel shayim. Even though taglachas is seiser, but it's only seiser that you have to do another 30 days of Naziris, so this way, at the end of your Naziris, you could have a taglachas mitzvah. Ve'in chayav and carbon. There's no halacha of bringing a carbon if someone takes a haircut during a Naziris. That's only if he becomes tamei during a Naziris. Then you have a nazir tamei and the whole parsha of nazir tamei. But if you take a haircut during your Naziris, all you need to do is another 30 days. And again, like we spoke at earlier, the first part of the Mishnah was wine. If you drink wine during your main Naziris, then that's not seiser at all.